Hello everyone, this video is to teach you how to schedule a live on YouTube and how to start it later. So I am starting on my own YouTube account. I just click here, switch account, I think it is the name in English. So click here. So here I can add new accounts or just use the already added ones. So I click on the channel I want to use it. I came here to the camera, a live transmission, and then I will be on the place I organize the transmission. Okay, it's here. Then I will click here, the classic version of the transmission, and okay, now I'm where I wanted to be. I will come here to events, and then I can schedule a new event. So I just put the title. Oh, sorry. When is it going to be? Tomorrow. The time, 2 a.m. And then it changed the date after I changed the time. Okay, so create event. It's been created and now it's here. So I can start it from Hangout by just clicking on it. And then I am on Hangout. It is still running. It didn't start yet to run. Okay. So yes, it's charging, I think the name. Okay, here is where I can invite people, and here is where I share my camera. And here I can start the transmission. So I can just come, click here. I can send the link from someone on Gmail, or I can send the invitation. I always send the link because the invitations doesn't arrive in time. So I can Control C, close it and send someone else. Then the person will show up here. And when I want to start, I just click here. Okay, it's starting. Yes, it's on air. And then I just click here to share my screen with everyone else. And then I'm sharing my screen. So yeah, it's just it. Thank you very much.